if you are using OBS Studio and if you are streaming a game or if you are recording a presentation with your face cam on, but you only want to show your face and you don't want to show your background, you will require a green screen. Now, this green screen can be used in anything like game streaming in any services you want like Twitch, YouTube, etc. And for recording videos or tutorial videos related to PowerPoint or anything. But the only thing is, whenever you are using my method, you can't show the desktop like this. You will have to keep Google Chrome on the desktop. That's a only problem because I am using Google Meet, and if I minimize the app, then the OBS Studio won't recognize Google Chrome. I'll show you that problem. But if you want to try out some other things like Zoom, you can try out Cisco WebEx. You can try that out, but I'll tell you my steps. First thing, we'll open Paint and create a green screen like this, and then we will be opening Google Chrome and going to Google Meet and start an instant meeting. And then we'll set a virtual background, and then we'll open OBS Studio and we'll set our face cam on, and I'll show you how to record. Okay, so let's continue.
Oh dear, I've said too much.
So step 1, what you have to do is search over here for Paint. But before starting, I'll show you that I don't have a green screen. I'll just open my camera to show you. Now, when I open my camera, you will be able to see me right here. And there is no green screen behind me. Green screen is just a green colored background. But you can even use a blue screen. But right now it's multicolor over here, so I can't use this. So now I'll show you how to create the green screen, which is right over here. I'll open Paint, step 1, PAINT. After typing in Paint, just open Paint and at least keep the size as much I kept over here, or you can increase it. But for now, this is a really good size here. So now I'll just come over here, click on this little paint button, and you can select whichever color you want. But we are creating a green screen, so I'll select a nice little green color. I think this is great. I'll just make it a bit, okay, that's great. I'll just click on OK. And after that, I can just click over here to make everything green and then save it. Save as desktop green screen. That's all. I already have it. I'm not saving it. I'll just close it. And after you have a nice little green screen, just open your favorite web browser. I recommend Google Chrome, but if Google Chrome is if your system is weak and Google Chrome just reduces your system RAM and everything, then use some other browser. I'll just go to meet.google.com over here, and then as you can see, we are in Google Meet. And if you are seeing this, I have just reduced the size. I'll just reset the size. Okay, so now this is how we reset the size. That was my phone's notification, sorry about that. If you have reset the size over here, just go over here, new meeting, start an instant meeting. Now if you know how to reduce and increase size, if you don't know, I'll tell you. Just come over here, hit control button and scroll up or scroll down, and then you can click on this minus button to reset. But now if you are seeing this, you might be seeing that I already have a green screen behind me. How? but actually I don't have a green screen behind me. If you can see, there is an option for changing background. Always just update your browser, you will get this option. I'll just come to some other background. I think this background, okay, I'm just choosing some background. Okay, this is a random background. I'm choosing that because I have to delete this, and without choosing that I can't delete this background. So right now this is a virtual background. If I remove the background, this is my original background. So don't worry, I don't have green screen. Now since you have created that green screen and saved it in your desktop or whichever location you want, you might have saved it, you can just click over here, new, and even you can add some background blur if you want without a green screen. If you want to make a video which you blur your background and keep your face cam only, then you can stream like this with a background blur if you want to talk something. But if you want to reduce the blur, you can reduce it. But for now I'm just closing everything, and now I'll just click on this plus button, and then I'll add my custom green screen. Open. After opening it, you can see there is a green screen over here. Since my lighting is not that good, my face is not looking that good, it's a bit dark right now. But if I increase the lighting, it will be good. Like if I add some flash from both my sides, it will be great. You can also try that out. Just sit in an area where light is really good. And if you have more lighting on your face, then keep a brighter green screen, and if you have less light on your face, keep a faded green screen. So always make sure it's like that. And then after doing this, just hit your control key and scroll down. You can see these buttons. Just click on minus and reduce the size to 25%. And right now everything is gone, your face is over here. Now this window should be open all the time. So I'll just for now I have to open OBS Studio, so I'll just click over there and launch anyway. So now if you are thinking, if I am opening OBS Studio right now, then how am I recording this video? Actually, I am using OBS Studio to record OBS Studio. OBS Studio has this good little function to record, like to create multiple windows of OBS Studio. As you can see, now I have one of this video, one of this window, which is OBS Studio, which I am recording right now. You can see stop recording is given over here, and the other window which is over here. So now I'll just close the I'll just minimize this window so that my recording is not gone. And in this video, this is a window, but to show you that my face is being recorded, I'll have to open some other thing also. So I'm thinking to open my file explorer. That will be good. I'll just open this PC. I'll just increase the size. So this is a file explorer, as you can see over here. And now I'll show you how to add your background. So keep this window behind, don't minimize it. That's why I opened it, and then I'm opening my file explorer. So as you can see, that window is still there behind you, like behind the app or the window you are using, so that the people who see your videos won't know that you are using this thing, because most of them don't look at this Chrome little thing. So this method will only work if you are showing a particular window, or if you are actually just showing a file explorer, then you can use it. If you are just playing a game and recording it, you can use this, as you are just capturing your game. You are not showing your desktop, because if you are I'll just show you. This is the OBS Studio. Now display capture. Now this is the my normal settings. I'll add a scene. So this is the normal window which will come scene. I'm not deleting these two because that's my TECH DHEER scenes. So right now I'll be adding window capture only. So window capture, okay, and you can capture cursor, but if you don't want, you can't. You can add multi adapter thing over here. If you don't want, don't keep it. So it's on your settings. So right now I just kept this normal settings. Okay, so this is the main window which we are capturing right now. This is the file explorer window which we are about to capture. So now this is the actual window which we are capturing. So why I chose this first is because we want to resize the window also. So I think it would be better if we click on Alt key and reduce this size to this file itself, because we need a 16:9 ratio over here. So I'm just keeping a 16:9 ratio. For you, your game or your window might be in full screen, so that doesn't matter. But the only thing that matters is whenever you are using OBS Studio and recording for YouTube, you will need a 16:9 ratio, and this is a 16:9 ratio right now. I'm just showing this so that I have a white screen behind me and on the background of this video, and I can clearly see my video. Now as you can see, my face is still here. I have not closed the meeting. So I'll just open the window again. I'll just open my OBS Studio. Now the second thing which you want to add is audio. If you are playing a game, you can use game capture. If you are showing a video or if you are showing a presentation, it would be better if you record your video from the PowerPoint itself. But if you are using Google Slides, you won't get that option, so you will have to record using OBS Studio. But there is one more thing before creating that. If you are using Google Slides, then it will be something like this. You will open your Google Slides. Your meeting will be behind. Just remove that. Okay, just bring it out and it will be out. And then you can open Google Slides. So that's not a matter. So right now I'm not showing you all my presentations. I'll show you later. So I'll just close this. So now this is the meeting. So this is the main background or the main window which I'll be using. Okay, so there was a small little glitch over here. Okay, so now this is the window which I'll be using, or which you all might be using to record, to show something like this is Windows C drive, this is Windows D drive. You can format it like this. Okay, so you can show it like that however you want. Now this is the background which I kept. It's according to your preferences, and then you have to add audio if you have an audio. But to add an audio, just come over here, audio input and audio output. For audio input, you will get your microphone. As you can see, microphone Realtek. So that's my audio. It's added. Don't forget to add your audio. Just lock your screens over here. Then add your video. To add your video also, you will need a window capture. Okay, now select your Chrome meeting and then okay. Now this is what the problem came in. Now this is my meeting and this is the OBS Studio recording my meeting, so that will be a problem. So I am not putting this file explorer to the full screen format. I'll just increase the size like this. Since you are recording a window, OBS Studio won't like show you. Oh, sorry, this was my OBS. Okay, so this is the OBS Studio, and now you can see my window capture over here, meeting. Reduce the size. Now this thing, I'll just increase the size. Okay, so now this is my meeting and this is my window. For most of you, I'll show you. You have to first I did not lock it. Okay, so now I'll just increase the size, and to make a chroma key effect, I'll click on Alt, and first I'll resize the window. Click on Alt and you can resize it, and after resizing, I'll right click and then filters. Then I'll add a chroma key. Okay, so default it will be green, so your default is okay. And now you can see my face. I'll place it here, and to record I'll just put this in the side so that you can see my video. And now you will be able to see my video over here. You can see my mouse in the left hand side. That's the recording, and after recording you can come over here. But if you put this on full screen, then sometimes your video will be blank. So that's the main problem with Google Meet. You'll have to keep it like this and show it. It won't work on full screen. But if you want like alternative, what you have to do is close your, yes, I am removing that window, Google Meet window. I'll just make it, you can use a Google extension picture in picture, and then you can just close this. No, sorry, just minimize this. So now you have a nice little extension over here, picture in picture, and I'll show you how to download that extension. I'll just close this, come over here, picture in picture, picture in picture. Just search for that. You can see this extension by Google Chrome. Come over here, it will take you to Chrome Web Store, and after coming to Chrome Web Store, you can see a picture in picture. You can just add it to Chrome. So this extension is really good, but if you are using this extension, then also you might not be able to do that. Come over here and then picture in picture. That's also good. I'll just reduce, and in this extension, if you are reducing the size also, it won't matter, because the only thing matters is your size of the video. And you can use this extension to actually play games. Now if I, okay, so I'll just increase the size. This is the maximum size. Cool. So now I'll come over here. This thing will only be if you can't minimize this, you can't restore this, you can only close this. So this extension can be a problem for most of you, but if I keep it down here, no one will ever notice it, and it won't come in between. So now in this window capture, click on properties, over here picture in picture. Okay, now this is a problem coming up. I'll just remove this first. Yes, now add window capture. Okay, okay, okay. Now click on the Alt key and reduce it as I have done in the previous step. Increase the size. Right click filters, add chroma key. It will be always default as green, and close. And then add window capture, and then make it like, you can even add desktop capture if you want. Display capture. Okay, okay, and then bring it down. Now if you can see, you can record your desktop, but if you are coming over here, you can see the video is becoming a bit darker, so be careful you are not coming here. That's the only side effect. That's why I told you you won't be able to show your desktop. But if I'm playing a game, so I have a game over here, Asphalt Extreme. That's not that bad. I'll just minimize it first. I'll just change this display capture. I'll just remove it. I'll show you how you can capture the game also. Window capture, just properties. Come over here, Asphalt Extreme. Okay, so now I have that window capture done. Okay, I'll have to close this first. Remove. Yes, and add window capture. Sorry, I just removed my camera by mistake. Window capture. Okay, add your camera. Okay, keep it over here. I'm not resizing it. Okay, wait, let me just resize. It will be better if I resize it. I'll have to lock it from now on. Okay, I'll just lock it. It will be better if you lock it. And then add a window capture or game capture, especially game capture. If you are capturing a game, choose capture specific window, Asphalt Extreme. Okay, capture cursor, etc. Okay, now I'll just open Asphalt Extreme and this. Now window game capture should be locked first. Properties. Okay, so now this is the window capture. Since my game is not in the full screen mode. Okay, now as you can see, I am capturing my, sorry, why am I opening that OBS Studio again and again? Now for capturing it, I'll just bring this up. Since my video is down a little bit, bring it up. And now I'll just come over here, window capture, filters, add chroma key. Okay, close. Now this is how you can record your game by playing it. I'll just reduce this window size. I'll just place it in the left side, place it in the right side. Okay, now over here, as you can see, now there won't be any problem with playing the game. You will be able to see my cursor since I have made some changes, like don't capture cursor. Now over here, I don't know why this game is not looking like running that good. Let me just reduce the size. It's showing loading. I'll just close this. Okay, you can see that I can capture the game. I can see over here. Okay, now this is the game capture. Since in this game my cursor is different, it won't be capturing it, but you can see this is how you can capture your game. I'll just close this because it will harm my recording. It will give more it will just ask my processor to work more. So that's how you can do chroma key effect. If you did not understand a topic or a concept in this video, then you can just comment. I'll give you the solution if you did not understand anything. But this is how you can show, like OBS Studio. I'll show you how to game capture. Like I'll be capturing my Asphalt 9 game. I'll show you how to capture it. But right now I just showed you how to give a green screen effect, and I showed you how to capture your game with your face cam on. And right now I think the picture in picture is gone from here. It's like that, like sometimes it will be gone, sometimes it won't be gone, no one knows. If you place it right here down over here, then sometimes it may go also. So if you like this tutorial, it would be good if you share this video and like this video, and do subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel. Okay, bye. I'll just stop my recording from here.